So guys, it's me and basically I'm about to do my morning routine right now. I might just cover my hair up. I don't want it to be like in my face or anything. I'm just gonna put my sleeve. My hair. After I wash my face and the gloves, after that, next thing I'm about to do, I forgot one. Actually, I did not forget, guys. Next, I need to put my moisturizer on. The moisturizer. Let's put you guys. I need to put my moisturizer on. So smooth. Next, I'm putting. I'm basically gonna do all of it and then see you guys. Basically, when I'm done with my routine because it's very long. And basically, this is a short video, so I'm gonna finish my thing and I'll show you how I do afterwards. Bye. And I'm done with it, guys. Maybe your mind is really out of my way. A little bit. I put a cute headband on. It's basically the same thing I cover, like the back hair, but I have to move it so one is to like come in, the other one is just to like with it. And guys, my hair is very long. I only did wash my hair like yesterday. Look how long it is. I'm not gonna have that ugly hair anymore. I have this